Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So in this video we will learn about the final stream type, that is nothing but transform stream. So have you ever wondered how to modify the data on the fly while reading or writing the files in the Node.js? So today we are diving into the transform streams, the superhero of the streaming when it comes to the encryption, compression and much more. I will show you how to build our own file encryption and decryption stream from the scratch. I will try to show you that one so that you can able to understand how in which ways we can use the transforms stream. So alright, let's have a quick recap about this one. Node.js, normally we know that it has 4 types of stream. That is, one is a readable stream, writable stream, duplex stream, and the last one is the transform stream. Transform stream is somewhat special. It reads input, modifies it and sends the result to the output, all in a streaming way. Think of it is like a factory conveyor belt. Raw data goes in, gets processed and comes out transformed. You can use it for encryption, compression and even real-time translation also. So now let's try to see about this one. Let's build our mini encryption system. So we'll try to read a file, encrypt its content using a custom transform stream, write it to a new file and then decrypt back again using another transform stream. So here is the full step. So let's try to see it. It is very simple, don't worry. Just we need to have a knowledge on the streaming mechanism. That's it. Let's try to see this one. So here I will be creating a new folder. That is nothing but new directory, transform. Here I will create a first one is the encrypt.js file. Okay. Let's try to add this one. Yeah. So now here what we need to do, constant. So you already know about this one, is equal to require of stream. So we need to not stream. We need to import this one. In that we need to have it. We need to require transform. Here I will do something like class encrypt stream extends the transform. So we need to extend the transform. Okay. Now what we need to do here, simple thing. So in order to have a transform thing, what we need to do is we need to have a transform _transform. Okay. And here this one will take the chunk, and if you want you can pass the encoding and also a callback. Let's say that we got the some data. Okay, let's say that we got some data. What I want to do, I want to convert that one to a what I mean to say is we got the buffer. I want to convert into a something like step by step I want to convert. Let's say that you are sending a string and I want to convert that one. Let's say that I will console.log of chunk. Okay, I will be having a chunk. Now I need to pass the string. Let's say that we are having a file here. That is nothing but, let's say that test.txt, and here I will be having so Leela Web Dev. This is the just text we are having. I need to encrypt this text. What we will try to do, first we will try to open the file. So file handle is equal to, so await fs. So we need to fs dot open test.txt, and I need to open it in a read mode. Okay, and here we will be having another one, write file handle, and this one is read file handle. We'll try to have it read file handle, and this one is write file handle, and this one also same thing, await, and here I will do something like decrypt. Okay, decrypt, sorry, yeah, encrypt. We are encrypting, right? I need to encrypt the text which is having that one. So I'm opening this one in a write mode. Fine. So now let's try to see here what I was trying to do. I am opening this one, let's say /promises. Okay, this one goes away. Now we need to open the read stream. Constant read stream is equal to what is that we need to do, read stream read file handle dot create read stream and constant write stream what we can do, sorry, write file handle dot create write stream. So we got the write stream. So let's try to use the pipeline. Okay, normally what you will try to do, so here you will be having this one and you will get the error. So if error is there means then you will try to do console.log error in copying, oh sorry, error in copying, or otherwise else means console.log copy completed, something like that. So this pipeline we need to import it. Where could this pipeline will come? That also comes from the stream, I think, pipeline, yeah, and hopefully this one goes away. Let's try to run this one. Let's go to our command prompt. Here I will go to transform and here I will write node encrypt.js file. So when I try to run this encrypt.js file, it is saying await is only valid. Okay, so these are all the things we should be having in an async. Okay, and here I will try to copy this entire pipeline and here I will paste it here, and let's try to do the async. Okay, this is a simple code. Let's see the normal way how we are trying to do it. Node encrypt.js copy completed. If you try to see here, so we are able to get the encrypt.txt, automatically it has been copied into this one. So what I need to do, so we need to pass it to the transform stream. So this is our transform stream. We need to pass it to this one and we need to encrypt the file and we need to send it to the write stream. So for this one what I can do it is, so here constant encrypt stream is equal to new encrypt stream, new encrypt stream. So we have called this one. So what can I do here? So I will be just using this encrypt stream and I will be passing it to the write stream. That's it. Let's try to see what will happen. So here it is saying new encrypt stream. It cannot be able to class encrypt stream extends the, here this is the only thing, right? Oh, so two names are there. So transform stream, I will try to keep it as a transform stream. Okay, and I will use it directly here. Now hopefully this one will work, the name conventions. So now here you will be able to see the buffer has been sent, and if you try to check the test.txt, so sorry, encrypt.js file, sorry, encrypt.txt file, so nothing has been written. Why? Because so this transform stream is not sending anything, just we are consoling.log of chunk. Let's try to do it to convert it to a console.chunk to string, so that you can able to see what is the type of data we are getting it. Now if you try to check it here, so here we are able to see that is Leela WebDev. So that is nothing but this one is Leela WebDev. Now what I want to do here, I want to encrypt this one. So if you want to encrypt this one means, so what can I do? So I can get each chunk. Here I can get the each chunk. Okay, I can get the each chunk and I can do chunk plus 1 so that it will be incremented. So Leela WebDev means it will be incremented. For example, let's say that here let encrypted is equal to empty. Okay, or otherwise let's encrypted is equal to buffer dot alloc of chunk dot length. Okay, now what I want to do here, for let I is equal to 0, I less than chunk dot length, I plus plus, and here what I want to do it is encrypted of I is equal to buffer dot from, not buffer dot from. So here what I would be trying to do it is chunk of I, oh sorry, I plus 1. Okay, I can do it like this. And now what I can do here, I can do console.log encrypted. Let's try to check the encrypted one. So what is it has been encrypted, and here you can console.log of chunk also. So I have encrypted the code. Let's try to see. So now if I try to encrypt this one, console.log, okay, somewhere I have made it wrong. Okay, fine. Now let's go here, say ls, and what I was trying to do, so here it has been updated. So let's try to do the toString so that we can see what it has been updated, what it has been transformed. Dot toString. now if you try to see the output for this one, see here it has been updated. It has been updated to some gibberish. Okay, so L, the next number is M, E, F, E, F, L, M, B, exclamatory. So like this, some random data, it has been transformed. So what I will try to do here, we need to send this encrypted data to the write stream to write it in the write stream. So what can I do here? Just simply, so what can I do? It is I can send this dot push. Okay, you can push it to the encrypted like this. Then we need to call the callback. Okay, that's it. Now let's try to see whether we can able to send it or not. So copy completed. Let's try to open the encrypt.txt file. If you try to see here, the entire thing has been written here. The another way which you can do it is, instead of writing these two things, so you can also write callback. You can send the encoding and also the encrypted. So here if you don't have anything, error, it is an error. So you don't have any error and encrypted, you are sending it. So this also works without any problem. So if I try to do this one, copy completed, and we are able to see the encrypt.txt file. Fine. So now we are able to do this one. So now we need to decrypt it. So how we can decrypt this one? The entire code I will copy it. Okay, let's go to here and I will create a new file that is nothing but decrypt. Decrypt.js. So let's try to add it and let's try to copy everything. And here I will do it is an decrypt. Okay, decrypt, same thing will you, instead of that one we will do it as a -1. So again we are reverting back, and I think everything is there, but here we will be having encrypt.txt file, and here we are having decrypt.txt file. I am opening it in that one. So here read handle, so here you will be having decrypt stream and read stream, transform stream. Okay, everything is perfect. So decrypt stream we are doing it, everything is going on perfectly. Let's try to do this one. So now here instead of encrypting I will be using decrypt. Now if I try to do, so module decrypt.js, what it is saying, so here encrypt.txt it is there, decrypt.txt write mode we are opening it. Fine, everything is on the right mark only. What is that? Cannot find module decrypt.js file, transform node decrypt. Decrypt stream. Okay, we are having this one, and the spelling is okay, decrypt, we have a spelling mistake. Let's go here, and I have removed this p, so let's try to run it. Copy completed. Let's go to our decrypt.txt file. If you try to see here, the exact thing has been converted. So whatever the encrypt.txt file you are having it, that encrypt has been encrypted and decrypted. So this is how we will be using the transform stream in order to encrypt or compress whatever the things you want to do, whatever the logic you want to do, you can do it like this. So that's it guys about this transform stream. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.